Okay, here's an update. This is probably where the videos get a little bit disjointed because there is two bikes in question. This is the modified frame, but this is the second engine. This is the one that was seized and the one that is missing its second ring when we're getting it, second compression ring when we were getting it unseized, so it's never run. And we've used it for the jig engine, and so this is where we're going to give it see if it'll run. It's gone back together, missing a ring, but we have a big bore barrel, we've got a spare piston, all sorts of other bits and pieces, but get an indication what the gearbox is like, what the clutch is like. We're going to try and just fire it up as is. If we go around here, this is the number one engine. It's fairly smoky, nothing's happened. We unseized it and that's been running and using that as a test for other bits and pieces. So as you can see, they're both in a state of disrepair. We have the pie cut exhaust on this with the muffler. I did run it on the other bike just to test for leaks, hence you can see it's a bit blued, but we'll give this one a run and see where it's at. And here's the timing chain. Just topped it up with oil. Both of these engines have never been apart. Yep, litre in there. So the oil was filthy. No idea about the clutch. So neither of these engines have been apart from this one has had the head and the barrel off. So no idea what it's like in the bottom end, no idea what the clutch is like. So this is our will it start and get an indication of those parts. Now that I've tied up the foot peg, I can give it a good kick all the way through. I've added a little earth to the head. Good spark. Yeah, I think with all of the paint. There's not enough compression. Unless I got the cam timing wrong, but no. That'll be the either a stack valve or only the single compression ring. Here's a little bit of B-roll cleaning the rims. A couple of the guys from the Trials Bike Club have kindly donated some second-hand tyres so we can get it onto the testing phase. So here's just some coverage of that. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.